Welcome to today's course on permit search. My name is Quintavious, also known as Inspector Q. I am thrilled to be with you today to share this knowledge with you, and I hope that you can take something from it and give me your feedback as we go along. All right, without further ado, let's get started. So the purpose of the permit search lesson is to really give you the opportunity to avoid any closing delays or unnecessary stress from your buyers or sellers, because they are impacted in this transaction as well. So we want to talk about the things that you need to know from the fundamental standpoint when doing a permit search. So the first thing that we will cover is how to locate the permits online. Very, very, very important. The next thing is what permit types to review. And then lastly, the permit status, whether open, expired, or complete. So let's start off with how to locate permits online. You can simply start off with a Google search. Now you want to search the county property appraiser site. So if you are living in Orange County, as I am at the time of this taping, you want to type in Orange County property appraiser. And once you pull that information up, we'll talk about that next step. But the next thing you want to do, if you can't find it, the address that you're looking for on the county website, the county property appraisal website, you want to go through the building and permit site of that specific city. Yes, that specific city. So if the address is located in Apopka, you want to go to the city of Apopka building and permit site. You want to type that into the Google online search. So let's get started with our online property permit search. We're going to follow these 5 steps. Number 1, we're going to visit the property appraiser site for the county. Number 2, we're going to enter the address in for the property. Number 3, we're going to determine if the permit info resides in the county or city records. 4, identify permit section. And 5, we're going to make sure that we're in the right place to review the permit details. Let's continue. So I have 2 particular properties that I've chose in Orange County, so it can make the process very easy to show you an example. So we're going to start off with finding information or looking up the permit for 1542 Faircloth Court in Apopka. So first we're going to go to Google, type Orange County Property Appraiser, which already populated. So we're going to click on that. Click on the website. Next, we want to hit property search because we want to enter the property address, 1542 Faircloth. All right, we have the correct address based on our example, so that's free and clear. The next thing you want to do is make sure that the permits reside in the county or within the city sites of the actual hosting site. So meaning that we want to make sure that if we do find permits in the county records, that there are not additional permits inside the actual city as well. And the way we can identify that is by looking for municipality, or another synonymous word for municipality is tax district. So if you're underneath that particular wording or verbiage, you want to see if there's a city name below it. If it's not a city name below it and it says unincorporated, that is county related. So that means county. So it will either say the county name or either the city name. So all of our permits should be in the county website here. So we don't need to look any further into the city of Apopka. So next we're going to click on property features, scroll down below to the right here, you'll see where it says view Orange County permits. It's a disclaimer here through the Orange County website. We're going to hit continue to site. Voila. Here we go. We just enter access into the permits. Let's try another example to see if we can get the same outcome. So the next example I have for you is 2620 Somerville Road. All right. Let's go ahead and copy and paste this address. This particular home is listed for sale at this current time, so this will be a blessing to any agent that is listing the property at this moment. So let's go. So we're going back to the website for Orange County. Click on quick search. We're going to enter the new address. Hit the magnifying glass. All right. As you can tell, we have the right address, but also the municipality has a different name. It has the city name of where the property is located. So the permits that we are looking for are going to be in the city records and not the county. All right, just to let you know up front, it's going to be in the city records. So we could actually exit out of here and go strictly to the city records. But I want to just continue to go forward to show you exactly if you did not do that, what would you would see. So let's click on proper features. It says view Winter Park permits, and most people would think that this will take you directly to the Winter Park building website. And this is what you see. What we want to do is go back to Google, type in Winter Park permit search, not the property appraiser site. We want to click on Winter Park permit search to take us right there. You could either click either one of these. Both are in the said website. You want to hit active permit search, continue. Here we have an option to put in the address, which is what we need in order to find the permit. Copy and paste. Here you go. You not only have the permits, but all the inspections that have been performed by the city on this particular property. All right. So now that we reach here, we're going to talk about in the next continuing lesson, what type of permits are you really looking for in order to determine what is really going on with this property and how to look through the details in the description. So follow me as we go to our next lesson in regards to the different types of permits that you're looking for.